Hey everyone, it's Skillet Social. Today, I'm going to talk about how to be a successful influencer on TikTok. First, let's start by discussing what an influencer is. An influencer is someone who has a strong online presence with a large following. They use their platform to share their thoughts, experiences, and expertise with their audience. Now that you know what an influencer is, here are some tips to help you become a successful influencer on TikTok. 1. Create unique and engaging content. You want to make sure you're creating content that will capture your audience's attention. Think about what topics you're passionate about, and create videos that showcase your knowledge and expertise. 2. Utilize hashtags. Hashtags are great for expanding your reach and helping your content get seen by more people. Make sure you're using relevant hashtags that are related to your content. 3. Engage with your audience. It's important to connect with your followers by responding to their comments and engaging with their content. This will help you build a better relationship with your audience and create loyal followers. 4. Collaborate with other influencers. Collaborating with other influencers is a great way to grow your audience and reach more people. You can reach out to other influencers in your niche and create content together. By following these tips, you can become a successful influencer on TikTok. Just remember to be authentic, create unique content, and engage with your audience. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful and gave you some insight on how to be a successful influencer on TikTok. Like, subscribe, and share.